Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Who wants to have a go at making this super colourful, creative crystal cake? Amazing! Start by mixing together 300 millilitres of water, 50 grams of sugar and 10 grams of gelatin whilst heating on the stove. Then split that mixture between 3 bowls and add food colouring to each, starting with red to make red gelatin. Then purple, then blue. Pour those into containers and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Once set, tip upside down and tap out. Slice into thin strips and then carve into crystal shapes, and you can do this with each colour. Brilliant! Now get some white fondant icing and mould it into a kind of rock shape, painting it with gold food colouring. It looks like a golden nugget. Now get a basic chocolate cake and layer it with white buttercream icing. Coat the outside of the cake too. Smooth it out. Excellent. Now get a strip of baking paper and wrap it around the middle of your cake. Refrigerate that for 30 minutes and then pipe on black buttercream icing around the baking paper. Smooth it out and then carefully peel off your baking paper. Use some gold food colouring to paint around the edges. And a bit of a pattern. Lovely. Stick on your golden fondant decorations. And using cocktail sticks, you can pop on your crystal gelatin. Wow! Amazing! Look at this beautiful array of colours against the blackness of the cake. Super special. All that's left to do now is dig in and enjoy.